The core philosophy when we did the panel user experience was to let user personalize the device the way he wants to use it. With the click of a button, user can go and choose between 9 different experiences on his phone. The second level of personalization is we ensure that user can pick and choose these 9 experiences. And the third level of personalization is if the user goes to Sony Ericsson services, we're going to have a panel download service. So user can download more panels and then put it as part of his ecosystem. Panel is a concept which can be taken from as simple as a widget where information comes to your desktop, and it can be taken to an extreme case of developing a full-blown application. Some of the panels that the user would probably want to use with X1 would be watch TV on their go. It could be a social phone book kind of experience where they want to aggregate some of their social friends in one place. I would believe going forward there would be a panel that would enter some of the social media contents like YouTube, Picasa coming into a panel. And we certainly believe some of the most frequently used magazines, for example, whether it's entertainment or lifestyle, would probably be a good contender for panels going forward as well. Sony Ericsson is going to develop a fun and download service. So there's going to be a showcase area where all the panels that Sony Ericsson, our partners and developers have built would be available for user to download. From a user interface, we'll have a certain touch points where just with the click of a button, the user can download this extensive set of panels right on the device. In the panel user experience, when X1 is launched in the market, Sony Ericsson is going to deliver some of our core DNA. Our core DNA is multimedia, so we'll have a full set of multimedia experiences built into a panel. Sony Ericsson is creating this panel ecosystem where some of the panels will be delivered by Sony Ericsson, like a multimedia panel. Our partners like Google and Handango will deliver some of their experiences as panels. And we'll make a software development kit which any developer can take and build panels and contribute to this ecosystem. This would open up the ecosystem from not only Sony Ericsson developing their own DNA as panels, but the industry kind of participating in this whole panel ecosystem. Some of our partners could deliver sports, news, entertainment, media, social. So each one of our partners have their own niche in the market that they address. So we certainly believe these partners would add value to the X1 users. Sony Ericsson has a huge developer community, and we have a huge developer following the Sony Ericsson devices and technologies. So developer is the key going forward for X1 as well. So what we are expecting going forward with this developer community is people would go and build panels as simple as a widget and as complex as an application. For example, YouTube or Picasa, the pictures that I've uploaded on my website kind of trickling down onto my panel on my desktop. Whenever there is a new video being uploaded on YouTube, I will instantly get reflected on my desktop. In terms of the social networking, we certainly believe this panel can take it to the next level where whenever my friend sends me a Twitter message or whenever he's online, instead of me going to a website, it kind of comes down to my panel and I can see all my social communication on right from my desktop. The possibilities that we believe is endless when you can see on how panels can help user personalize the way he wants it. At any instant of time, if you go to a room with 3 Xperia users, you would probably see 3 different sets of panels that user would have downloaded from these services.